Hi, Mr. Moomay here. Well, I met up with the mayor and the boys at the Pickle Park. We had a blast, but they left me in a little bit of a predicament. Mayor, I fell asleep. Who did it? Warren, was it you? I can't get out of these. Who has the key? Andrew Lovejoy? Andrew Pike? Andrew Pike, right? Yeah, Mr. Pike, the one who likes my videos, my private videos. Steve Bennett? Who else is over there? I know there's more. One of you guys did this to me. Now please fly over to the US with the key and get me the fuck out of these. Because if you don't, you guys are gonna get it. And I mean good. Oh, I got one hand out. Cool. Now to work on the other one. Bye.